I'll give you a case study. And this is kind of something that we see again and again and again with our customers. We had a customer who deployed 2 types of continuous monitoring from 2 different vendors across many well sites that they have. They have thousands of well sites, but they didn't really understand what sort of value that it was providing in relation to other sites that they could be measuring their emissions on. What's the opportunity cost there? They had largely the technology deployed at sites that produced the most gas, so they could reduce the impact on a per unit basis, i.e. lower the cost per MCFE of gas produced. Makes sense. That's not exactly where the risk of super emitters was. It's not the brand new car that you drive off the lot that's more likely to break down. It's the one that's actually aged a little bit. And so what we did is we pushed them to collect flyover data, satellite data, so that we could better understand what the risk profile looked like across their asset base. And then we tied that to some of the inherent characteristics of the underlying facilities to understand what was driving this elevated risk, and then redeployed the continuous monitoring that they had already purchased, bringing in the raw data into one analytical platform so that they could harmonize leak detection alerts and the quantification. And they were able to dramatically reduce the risk of other large release events in subpart W parlance or super emitters and kind of common jargon across their asset base. And this is something that we see again and again because their risk was being negatively portrayed in the media. And so that's what we're after.